Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to resize a Canva template for free. All right, let's begin. First, open the Canva template you want to resize. If you are not using Canva Pro, this method is a perfect workaround. Now open a new Canva design with your desired dimensions. For example, if you want a square, choose 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go back to your original design, click the first element, then hold Shift and select all the elements except the background. Once selected, group them, right-click, and copy. Now return to your new design and paste. Your group design will appear, and you can resize it to fit the new dimensions. If the background looks off, just copy the original background color. Click the background of the original design, copy the hex color code, then go to your new design, click the background, select Add New Color, and paste in the code. You can now adjust the size of elements and text. Drag the corners or use the text sizing tools to make everything fit nicely. This gives you the same design on your new canvas size. So that's basically how you can resize a Canva template for free. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.